Obviously, we're a business that's concentrating on much more than just the wheel. You know, we want to make sure that wheel's made here. We want to make sure it's made with a certain amount of quality before we do quantity. We want to make sure that it still has value. I'm not going to just, because of demand, drive up the cost of the wheel to be able to deliver it. You know, we want it to be a sensible value. I want them to feel like they got what they paid for, you know, so our brand is in a good fashion on their tongue. I don't want to send it overseas. It's not about profits. Otherwise, we would have already done that. We would have made the wheel in China a long time ago. There's no doubt. We would have sold thousands and thousands and thousands of wheels at a crazy margin. So we definitely didn't do it for profit. And, you know, and I'm not jumping to quantity. I'm not going to sacrifice quality. Every time that we're short on wheels here, we got our head down trying to figure out how to make that product better and faster continuously, right? This is our entire effort. I want people to know that. I want them to know that that's what they're investing in. If they immediately need another set of wheels and it's not about you getting what you paid for, right? I'm tired of not getting what I paid for. I'm tired of buying stuff that's mass produced and I have it for 6 months and it's garbage, right? That's not what I want to make. That's not what I want to buy. That's for profit. So I want people to know that when they pick up that phone and they're buying a Detroit Steel Wheel Co., I don't care what looks like that product. That's not what they're getting. I've seen the product. We've bought it. We've tested it. We understand what they're getting. We understand where we want to be comparatively to that. I'm willing to not ship the product than to ship the product. I'm willing for you never to have a Detroit Steel Wheel Co. before I ship you a piece of garbage, especially a piece of garbage that wasn't made here, something I don't control. I'm not doing it to get all of your money out of your wallet. And we're doing it, and we're trying to do it in the right fashion. We're a business. Of course we want to make money. Of course we want to get that product in their hands right away. Of course we want to get between them and their wallet. That's foolish. That's what we're here to do. We're not here to stifle it. If I was here to stifle supply, right, that means I would be charging you a ton of money. I would be raising this price consistently because I can't keep it in stock. We've never raised the price because of demand, ever. Conveying people to the real mission we're on and really what they're investing in. Because if you knew what we're all about and you came here and you met us, you'd be pretty proud to have that wheel on your car. And I know for a fact that you'd wait if you knew really what was going on here and you really knew what you were buying, because it's just not a steel wheel. So at the end of the day, try to figure out how to get them to understand that, and they'll wait for it.